So every sane society allows a certain number of people to deviate, some sort of outsiders. It says you don't have to join, you don't have to play the game. A society which is insane and unsure of itself cannot allow that to happen. It says everybody must join, everybody must work, everybody must belong. And then freedom disappears. Because as a matter of fact, the anxiety is if you say, well, you don't have to join, there are conditions under which you can go out, then a lot of people get together and say, well, what would happen if everybody quit? Because a lot of people aren't interested in that, are not ready to quit. That doesn't mean that they're inferior. The acorn is not inferior to the oak tree. It's a potential oak, but as an acorn, it's just as beautiful and lovely a thing as a full-grown oak is. So a person who is in a beginning state of evolution is just as marvelous as a person in a high state of evolution. A baby is as lovely as an adult, sometimes a great deal more lovely. When a society allows a certain number of people to withdraw, it should have no anxiety that everybody will want to withdraw, because some people are absolutely fascinated in competition, in being involved, in playing the game. But we are witnessing in the United States today a great motivation for withdrawal. It's simply because we haven't provided for it. And there have to be people who stand outside the game and do not identify themselves with a class, with a name, with an ego, with a persona, with a role.